What makes Simply NUC different is that we're the only technology provider in the world that specializes in the Intel NUC, or Next Unit of Computing, platform. So our people are very well versed in the different NUC models and can provide a level of expertise that is not seen anywhere else in the industry. For customers that need a device that's specific to them for their needs, for their customers, we can take a standard NUC and create it custom for you with custom packaging, custom branding, your custom OS image installed, ready to deploy directly to your end customers, so that when they receive this device, it's basically plug and play. We get to see NUCs going behind displays for digital signage. We get to see NUCs going into the medical industry. We get to provide gaming systems to end consumers. Intel's got great technology resources, and they always seem willing to provide those to us as needed to help mutually grow our businesses together. We pride ourselves in being the best at both pre-sale and post-sale service and support. So because we know so much about the product, we can typically help diagnose any issues that people are experiencing. We back up all of our products 100% with a standard 3-year warranty on every part, and also a full year of warranty, service, and support for every sale. We handle everything for you and try and make it as quick and painless as possible.